This fancy JustTap tripod from Kraft Geek makes me feel like I'm in a Transformers movie. Autobots, roll out! What's up everybody, this is KG. Today I'm going to be doing a review on the Kraft Geek JustTap Tripod. Now this tripod was sent directly to me to test out and give an honest review on it. And it has some modern features on it that other tripods in the past may not have had. So let's open it up and have a look. So here you can see the instruction booklet that comes along with the tripod. And this is the back side of the instruction page. And you got a USB-C to USB charger. And here you go. This is the Kraft Geek tripod and selfie stick. Very nice. It has a little bit of weight to it. Feels kind of heavy duty if you ask me. You got your Bluetooth remote over here, and I believe, oh yeah, it's just like magnetic. It comes off like a magnet. This is really nice. It just stays with your tripod, and look, when you want to use it, you can just pop it off. Excellent. Now from an ergonomic standpoint, this looks beautiful. It's just compact. Everything is packed together nicely. So if you're about to travel or go somewhere, imagine how easy this would be to pop into your backpack or your travel kit. I also just did a quick measurement from end to end. This is 13 inches long. So of course the first thing everybody probably wants to see is the Just Tap function in action. So let's do that before anything else. Ready for test number one? Let's see how it goes. Ta-da! Okay, so the first thing I'm going to test out on here is how high it goes. It's supposed to go 66 inches. The first surface I'm going to test it on is a tile surface, so let's give it a go. It opened up just fine. So now I'm just going to pull it up. I'm holding the base and pulling it up. I may have to pick it up for a moment just to get it to full length. There we go. And here we are. So this is the full height here. This should be approximately 66 inches at this height. And you can see it standing. It's fairly sturdy, holding nicely, and it's not moving much. It has some sort of a rubber grip on the bottom, so it's holding pretty good. So it's not slipping, pretty good. It's aluminum material here, so let me just bring it in closer for a moment. Now if you see there's a bottom section here, this is where you're supposed to hold it at the bottom, and at the top part, you're supposed to only hold it here or on top to open and close. And this middle section is your warning area. You do not want to touch it there in case you get your fingers caught. So then when you want to close it, you hold these two and pull it close together, and that's how you would open and close it or make it wider or shorter. It's pretty easy to do. This is your open and closing mechanism. Very easy to do. Okay. So if you want to put it into a selfie stick now, you can just close this up and you'll click them. You'll hear the sound of it clicking. So this is all clicked back together. And now you can set it up in a selfie stick mode if you want. So this would bend, and then of course if you're done using it, to finish closing it off, you just push it right in and you're back to a closed situation right here. Okay, I'm actually gonna put my cell phone on now, which is a Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus. So it's a fairly big screen. Let's see how it fits on the tripod. So it says to push it in at a 45-degree angle here, and then it should snugly fit into the holder. So let's test it out. And there we go. Okay, so it's in. So it holds it quite well. And you can see I can adjust it angularly, put it like this. If I want to go in the straight way, I can just turn it like this immediately, and it's in the straight format. You can do portrait or you could do landscape. So whichever way you want to film is so quick and easy and immediate. And selfie stick mode, you can set it up and boom, there you go. You can do selfie stick right away. And the other cool thing actually I just noticed is that the button is right here. So when you do have your Bluetooth hooked up, you can start clicking it right away for taking selfie stick pictures, right like this. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, let's set up the Bluetooth now. You're supposed to hold the button down for 3 seconds to activate it. And if you look in here, you got your green light turned on. And now that it's flashing, it's ready to be connected to your Bluetooth. So if you look on my available devices, you got one there that says Kraft Geek. That is the one you're looking for. So I'll just push it and it's going to connect, and then you just have to click on pair. And once it's done pairing, it shows you right here, Kraft Geek connected. So once you're connected, you have this solid green light over here. It tells you that when the battery gets low, the green light will turn to a red light, and then you will have to plug in the USB-C portion over here and recharge it. And when it's done recharging, the light will turn off at that point and you know it's recharged. So as you can see, I have a perfect setup to take a selfie picture. You have the Bluetooth sitting in here. You could take a far away picture or you could take a close by picture. But you just sit here and you push the button here and it will take the picture. Cheese. And if you look over here, it took my photograph. So let's test this out on a soft carpet as well to see if it works the same way. Yep, it works good on carpet as well. Now I do want to quickly compare an old tripod that I have. This is a selfie stick tripod, so you can tell the differences. Now to open this older one, you have to actually unscrew a button here, and you got to take your time, unscrew it, try to pull it open, set it to where you want, tie it back. And even to adjust from a portrait mode to a widescreen mode, you got to unscrew stuff, you got to loosen it up. Then you gotta adjust it. As you can see, it's a little bit more tedious. So you gotta, loosen, tighten, do all these weird other things, which makes it annoying to do. Even to lengthen and shrink, you gotta undo things, close things, undo things, close things. So there's a lot more work involved in trying to put one of these guys together. And you can see the difference. Like that one's a lot quicker to work with, right? So this one is a little bit more time consuming and annoying to try to work with. So who are the people who can benefit from a product like this? Definitely content creators, people like myself who make YouTube videos, even if you make reels, or if you do Instagram, or if you do TikTok, any of those kind of things, this can definitely be useful for you. If you're someone who likes to travel, this can be taken with you for trips on traveling. You could take pictures with your families, you can take faraway pictures, you could take close by pictures, you can videotape, you can vlog, you can do so many things with this selfie stick. And like I said earlier, it is probably one of the most modern and up-to-date and convenient products to have. Based off my very short time using it, I know I'm going to be using this regularly. And of course it has the initials KG on it, so you can't go wrong with something like that. And honestly, another cool thing about it is just the look of it. It looks so sleek, it looks so modern, and it just feels comfortable in your hands. So it's very, very nice. A product I would definitely recommend. So if you are interested in purchasing this item, I will leave a link to Kraft Geek's website in the description box below. I also have a limited time 15% discount code that will be there as well. So you can go and purchase one for yourself and try it out for yourself. I am pretty sure you will not be disappointed and you will be happy using this particular product. So if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, please leave them below for me in the comments section. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already, please do so, and remember to hit the bell button so you're notified each and every time I post a new video. And remember to share this video with all of your friends. Take care, and we'll see you again next time. Peace out.